What goes into a 360 video? Well, let me show you. That's me, Dave Deacon, lead video guy with Deke Media, and third grade bubble blowing champion at Perry Elementary School. Deke Media is known for attention-getting, effective videos, and I've actually been nominated for one of these. If we're nominated with your project, we'll cover your ticket and meal to the Emmy Award ceremony. How's that for a deal? You might think that there's a lot that goes into such a new and immersive video format, and you would be right, but you're in luck, because we're the only providers of stress-free 360 video production. This means that Deke Media creates immersive 360 videos and delivers them to you so you can upload them to any of your digital platforms like your YouTube channel or Facebook page. After all, we are Deke Media, professional storytellers. Your Deke Media 360 videos are guaranteed to be viewed more and create more engagement with your website than any standard 16:9 videos. There is a lot of research to prove it. Let's take a look at the videos we did for residential life at Arkansas Tech University. ATU has degree programs that are attracting some of the best students in the world, but does housing play a role in their decision of where they're going to go? You bet it does. Arkansas Tech's residential life needed some videos that would highlight all of the great facilities for students on the Russellville campus and answer some of the questions they get a lot about living there. Now, if you've been to Russellville, Arkansas, you know how beautiful it truly is. But Arkansas Tech is not only recruiting students from Arkansas, but all over the United States. And actually, ATU has a growing list of applicants from other countries too, many of which have never heard of Pope County, Mount Nebo, nor Dardanelle Lake. But these are some of the things that they will grow to love when they make Arkansas Tech their home. ATU's Res Life knew that they had a great place to live, but they needed a creative way to show potential students why their peers are choosing to make their home in Russellville. We got an email from the director of Arkansas Tech's Res Life asking if we could do a series of videos like he had seen from other universities in something called VR. After looking at the videos, I explained the difference between virtual reality and 360 videos, and then I walked him through the production process. See, Deke Media specializes in storytelling in the 360 video medium, and he knew that Deke Media would create dynamic, immersive 360 videos for their team, while allowing them to focus on what they do best, ensuring that students are having the best experience at Arkansas Tech. We traveled to Russellville and met with the Res Life team. Then we explained how 360 videos could enhance the awareness of their facilities to potential students around the world. After a tour of the residence halls, we determined that we could do guided tours for some of the residence halls, but some of the other videos could just be shorter and just a room and lobby only. And while we were at it, why not do a Welcome to Our Beautiful Campus 360 video with Arkansas Tech President Dr. Robin Bowen? Deke Media worked closely with Arkansas Tech's Res Life marketing coordinator Laura Palmer to write and revise scripts. Once they were polished, Laura found students for the guided tours, and these students were volunteers and agreed to do these videos because they loved their university and it showed. They were the best ambassadors for ATU's Res Life message, and props to them for starring in a 360 video. You got to keep in mind, 360 is actually harder to shoot in than widescreen, or what we call in the industry letterbox or 16:9. When you shoot in 16:9, the production staff can run the teleprompters or hide behind the camera helping the star. With 360 video, it's all on the talent. Remember, no teleprompter, it's just them in a room talking to a camera that can see everything while they deliver a few lines energetically and genuinely. One of my favorite parts of a 360 shoot is getting to coach and direct the talent. This is actually a skill I've developed in my decade of television production. When it's all said and done, every message is delivered as seamlessly as possible. Once we get all of the beautiful 360 footage of your location, we head back to Deke Media World Headquarters and our team starts the production process, keeping your team up to date as we move through the draft with video chats and project management software. Once we're ready to start the approval process, we send you previews for you to circulate with stakeholders, and then we set a date for a follow-up in-person meeting to go over all of the videos and make sure that we're on the same page. Once we meet, the changes have been made, and you approve them, we will send you a link with the videos and closed captioning for you to download, with a thumb drive heading your way shortly after. When it comes down to it, we think that 360 videos are really cool, and we know that your prospective customers will think so too. So we want to get your guided 360 tours to you as soon as we can. If you would like your potential customers to experience your product or service through the use of immersive 360 videos that can be uploaded to digital platforms like your YouTube channel or Facebook page, visit dekeonline.com or give us a call at 405-562-7212.